All right. Hello, you guys. Can you guys hear me? Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Yes, Tegan? Okay. All right, you guys, we'll start in like 3 minutes, so just hang out for a little bit and we'll get started in a few minutes, okay? Let's see, we have Aubrey and Brinley. Hello, you guys. Hello, Ava. Mr. Colton, hello. Adam, hello, Adam. And Miss Tegan, hello, Miss Tegan. All right, we got about 2 minutes. We'll be good to go.
You want to leave them unmuted for a second? Yeah. Since I have Aubrey and Brinley right there, okay. I'd like to schedule their next class before we lose them. I don't always get to talk to them before the class is over. Okay, so can you hear me, guys? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm Heather. Who am I speaking to?
I'm CJ.
CJ? Nice to meet you, sort of formally.
Yeah.
As you probably heard me say, I'd like to schedule your next couple of classes. That way, if you need to hop off the class pretty quickly, we don't have to worry about calling you and everything like that. And I got the text message that the girls are in their uniforms. So good job, girls. And then was it you I was texting with or their mom?
Their mom.
Okay. I'm pretty sure we already talked about when it's going to be picked up, but
yeah.
We'll talk about that a little bit later. And then hopefully we'll see them in their class next time with their uniforms on. That'll be super
cool. Quit looking in the mirror. You've been looking at it since you've been standing there.
Evening or morning time for classes?
Probably morning times will be best.
Okay. And how old are you girls?
8, 7.
8 and 7. Awesome. So you qualify for our big kids group, and we have a class at 1 o'clock on Mondays and Wednesdays. Would that work for you guys?
Yes, that would be just fine. That would actually work better than the later ones.
Oh, okay. I'm glad I asked then. So we're going to go ahead and tentatively schedule you for Mondays and Wednesdays at 1 o'clock. So I'll continue to send you text messages and give you calls to remind you about that.
Okay.
And we'll see you soon for those uniforms. Thank you for talking.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, can you guys hear me okay? Yes? All right, let's go ahead and get warmed up. So let's see, we have Tegan and Miss Ava, Mr. Colton and Adam, all tiny tigers. Okay, great. So then we got Miss Hannah.
Welcome, Victoria.
And Aubrey and Brinley and Xavier. Xavier, turn your camera on so I can see you, please. And Miss Victoria as well. Nice to see you again, Victoria. All right, you guys, so go ahead, face me too, yeah? Let me stand up at attention. Everyone should be standing up. There we go, good. And face me, can you? All right, and then we're just gonna do some arm circles to warm our arms a little bit. And arm circles backwards.
Welcome back, Gavin.
My mom spells her name with a C. That's what And cross your body. Hello, Mr. Gavin. Good to see you again. For you guys that don't know, I am Miss Maya. So it's nice to meet you guys if I haven't met you yet. Okay, go ahead and stretch down, touch your toes. And spread your feet apart, stretch to the middle. And and stretch to one side.
Welcome, Jada.
And stretch to the other side.
Welcome back, Xavier.
Thank you.
And go ahead and sit down butterfly. So you're gonna sit on your bottom and put your feet together. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and count in Korean. That's the type of martial arts we do. We do Korean, tongue sudo. So we count and use Korean terminology. So go ahead and repeat after me, you guys. All right, so number 1, that's Hana. So everyone go ahead and say Hana. All right, Tol, that's 2. Set, that's 3. Net, that's 4. And toss it, that's 5. Yas it, that's 6. Ilga, 7. Yodel is 8. Ahap is 9. And Yol is 10. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do count one more time. Ready? Hana, Tol, Set, Net, Toss it, Yas it, Ilga, Yodel, Ahap, Yol. And again, that's 1 through 10. So we're gonna go ahead and stretch one leg out, ankles and toes. So put your other foot on top and rotate your ankle. We're gonna count one more time. Hana, Tol, Set, Net, Toss it, Yas it, Ilga, Yodel, Ahap, Yol. Good job. And stretch. Put your foot down and stretch. Reach for your toes. We'll count again. Ready? Hana, Tol, Set, Net, Toss it, Yas it, Ilga, Yodel, Ahap, Yol. Good. And switch sides. We'll do other side, ankles and toes. So rotate your ankle. Stretch it out. Hana, Tol, Set,
Welcome, Titus. You
Yeah.
look great in your
Toss
uniform.
it, Yas it, Ilga, Yodel, Ahap, Yol. And stretch. Ready? Hana, Tol, Set, Net, Toss it, Yas it, Ilga, Yodel, Ahap, Yol. All right, and let's put both feet out and stretch. All right, so this Friday, you guys, we are doing a virtual game night. Miss Katie, who's another instructor here, some of you guys may know Miss Katie. Miss Katie and Miss Jenny are gonna do a virtual game night on the same Zoom code as this class at 6:30, and that's on Friday. So if you guys wanna do, we're doing different karate games or drills and charades and all sorts of kind of games that they'll do with you guys. And that's again Friday at 6:30 on this same class Zoom code, okay? So if you guys want to play some games at home, you can do that. Hop on Zoom at 6:30 on Friday for that, okay? All right, and then our theme on the month is habits, healthy habits, like, you know, eating healthy food, exercising, and, you know, other good habits. So who, raise your hand, you guys. I know you guys are muted right now. So who eats healthy? You know, most of them, they eat apples and, you know, fruit, they eat their vegetables. Good, everyone's saying it's great. Awesome, guys. Good, because you want to eat the healthy stuff instead of like the junk stuff, right? Like no candy and, you know, cookies, not all the time. You can have some, but not all the time, right? You want to eat mostly fruits and vegetables. What about exercising? Who like runs or like swims? Who like swimming or riding their bike? Who does that? Raise your hand if you do that. Good, good. All you guys do. Awesome. Good. All right. So make sure you know, once a week you guys get out and go ride your bike, you know, with your family. That's a good one to do. I like riding my bike. Or if you have a pool, I know some of you guys have a pool, you could swim. You swim for a little bit to get your exercise in. And then you can also do other stuff, like for all you guys are in virtual schooling. So a good habit for that would be doing your homework every day, right? Who does their homework every day? If they get homework from school, who does their homework? Good, good. You guys, all your hands should be raised. Good. All right. And if you like, you know, don't do your homework, make sure you do it if you don't, okay? Because you want to make sure you get good grades. That's a good habit to do. To get good grades, you do your homework, you know, you study, Those of you guys that are in higher grades probably need to study more. There's not a lot of you there though. But yeah, make sure you guys study, you know, to get those good grades and stuff like that. So that is our good habit. And who has a goal of black belt? Raise your hand. If you want to get your black belt, raise your hand. Good. Awesome. And do we all know our goal date, like when we're going to test for our black belt? Raise your hand. Keep it up if you know when you're going to test. Good. Yeah, some of you guys are newer. Probably most of you guys are going to be 2024 or 5. I know Hannah, you're probably 20. Hannah Panero, you're probably 2024. Braden West, I think you're a little closer. Probably 2021. Braden, yeah. Braden West. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, make sure though the good habit for your to obtain your black belt, you guys, is to practice, and that means come to class and things like that. Okay, so you guys, what you guys are all doing, which is awesome. You want to keep coming to class every chance you get, so you can get that much closer to your black belt. Okay, so again, all of what I said is examples of good habits. So make sure you guys do those, you know, practice good habits and use your manners with your parents, your grandparents. So who's going to commit to doing that, to having good habits and good manners, and good? Everyone's hand should be up. All right, awesome, good job. Okay, let's do a few more stretches and we'll get into class. All right, I think we're all good. Who is good and ready to go? Everybody, awesome. All right, go ahead and stand up, you guys. Go ahead and shitty up. All right, so we do have a few Tiny Tigers in class. We're going to do their curriculum first, and then we're going to do the GUP stuff, okay? So I want you guys really quick while I get that situated, go ahead and do, if you are a, let's see, orange belt or higher, okay, so that's Hannah and Malachi and Mr. Braden West. You guys are going to do 15 push-ups, 15 sit-ups. Braden, you can do 30. And then all my other guys, so all my white belts and Tiny Tigers, you guys can do 10 push-ups and 10 sit-ups, okay? And then we'll do jumping jacks together, okay? So go ahead and do that, you guys, really quick. Talk about push-ups first. Nice push-ups, Braden. Miss Victoria's done already. You're so fast. Oh my gosh. Keep going, you guys. Make sure you bend your elbows on those push-ups. Good. Tegan, keep going, keep going. Adam, bend your knees on your sit-ups, buddy. Bend your knees, Adam. There you go. That's it, Adam. Good job, good job, good job. Keep going, you guys. Don't hold your legs on your sit-ups. And when you guys are done, get in a Kimojazi for me, this horse riding stance whenever you're done. That way, we're doing something while we're waiting. I think we're almost all done. Keep going, you guys, keep going. All right, I think, let's see. If you guys aren't done, go ahead and stand up. That way we can get going. Go ahead and stand up if you're not done, you guys. All right, I think we are all ready now. All right, go ahead and face me, guys. All right, we're gonna do some jumping jacks really quick before we do our, we go into our material, okay? So we're gonna do 15 jumping jacks with me. Titus, don't go yet, wait for me. All right, so we're gonna go with me. So when I go up, you go up. When I go down, you go down. Yes, ma'am? All right, hopefully you guys all said yes, ma'am. All right, ready? And C-jack, that means go. Hana, toe, set, net, toss it, yas it, ilga, yodel, aha, yo, hana, toe, set, net, toss it. 15, good job, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and face this way. That way you guys won't get confused. So we're gonna start with the Tiny Tiger form. So for my little dragons, you guys are doing the first form in a straight line. Okay, so we're gonna step out. So everyone go ahead and chumby for me. Chumby, hiya! All right, so I'm gonna step out with my left leg in a front stance. I'm gonna do a low block with my left hand. So my left leg and left hand are out. Okay, so go back to chumby. So we'll do all of that at the same time. So low block and step forward with your left leg and go. So our left hand and left leg are out. Good, and we're doing a low block, so it's by our leg. Good, step forward, punch. So with the other hand, you're gonna punch forward. Good, then step forwards again in another front stance, low block. Step forward again and punch. And if you guys run in a room, if you have a smaller stage, just stay in your spot and just switch feet if you're running out of room. Okay, and then you're gonna step forward with your back leg into a guarding stance. We're gonna do 3 front kicks. So we're gonna lift our back knee up and kick. 1, kick, 2, and front kick 3. Hiya! And then we go back to our spot. Okay. So that again, that's for Ava and Mr. Colson. Okay, and maybe Gavin and Xavier. I'm not sure how old you guys are, but for my tiny tigers, this is for you. That's everyone under the age of 7. So if that is you, this is your curriculum right here, you guys. Okay, so we're gonna do the form a few more times. All right, and we're gonna step forward, low block in a front stance. Step forward, punch. Step forward, low block. Step forward, punch. Step forward, guarding stance. So I'm in my Google Jotsie. My hands are up, protecting my face. Then I'm gonna do 3 front kicks. I'm gonna do a front kick 1, front kick 2, front kick 3, hiya! And then I growl, that means return, so I'm gonna go back to my spot. So who of my tiny tigers, that's everyone under the age of 7. Go ahead and raise your hand if you think you have that. So Colton, Ava, Xavier does, and Gavin. Good, awesome. And Mr. Titus does, awesome. All right, we'll do it one more time, you guys, and then I'm gonna watch you, okay? See if you guys have it. All right, so we're in Chumby, hiya! Okay, then we're gonna step forward, low block. Step forward, punch. Step, low block. Step forward, punch. Guarding stance, hands are up. Ready, front kick 1. Front kick 2. Front kick 3, hiya. Good, and Burrow, go back to your spots. All right, who thinks they're ready to do it by themselves? Raise your hand. Good, Xavier is, Titus is, Ava, Colton, are you ready? Can you do it? Raise your hand. Yes, if you can. Good, all right, so I'm gonna watch you guys now do that form by yourselves. My gut students, I want you to do it as well, okay? So go ahead and Chumby, hiya. All right, so you're gonna, so ready, it's in it, remember, it's in a straight line, so you guys are gonna come towards me. All right, so make sure you back up so you have enough space, okay? So ready, I'm gonna key up, okay? And that means you're gonna move every time I key up, okay? So I'll do the first move with you, okay? Ready, and hiya! You're gonna step forward, low block, in a front stance. Okay, so stay there. And every time I key up, you guys will do the next move, okay? So not yet, Ava, go back, not yet. All right, ready? So you guys should all be in a front stance with a low block, just like this. I just did it with you, so we all should be, you know, we all should hold our moves, hold our stances, just like a black belt, right, you guys? Yes, right, all right, ready? Hiya! So go step forward, punch. Good, hiya! Step forward, low block. Good. So my gut students, you guys that are over the age of 7, don't worry too much about this because it's not your curriculum, so don't worry. We're gonna do your stuff in a little bit. All right, hiya! Step forward, low block. And hiya! Step forward, punch. And hiya! Step forward, guarding stance. So now your hands are up, ready for kicks. Good, ready, and hiya! And front kick 1. Hiya, front kick 2. Hiya, front kick 3. Good, and go back. All right, we're gonna do it one more time. I would like everyone to try, okay? You guys can't just stand there. You gotta do it. You gotta participate. Yes, ma'am? All right, so you gotta make sure you're doing it, you guys. Even though it's not your curriculum, you still need to participate. You can't just stand there. All right, so go ahead and Chumby, you guys. Chumby nice and strong, just like this, Chumby. All right, I'm gonna watch you one more time, but I'm gonna walk you through it. So listen to me if you are a little bit lost, okay? All right, so with your left leg, that's the one on this side, this leg right here, that one's gonna step forward for your low block. So we're gonna go ahead and step forward into your low block. Good, good. All right, ready? Hiya. So step forward, punch. Good. Hiya. Step forward, low block. Good. Hiya, step forward, punch. Good. Hiya, step forward, guarding stance, so your hands are up. Good, ready, front kick 1, hiya. Nice kick, Miss Hannah. Hiya, front kick number 2. And hiya, front kick number 3. Good job, you guys. I think my tiny tigers have it. I think you guys have it. All right, go ahead and bro, you guys. I mean, it's return, so go back to Chumby. All right, I think we have the form down pretty well. And for Miss Tegan, we're gonna do your form really fast because Miss Tegan is a yellow belt, okay? Or a yellow and red belt, I should say. So Miss Tegan, your form is the second half of Seikyan Ibu, okay? So we're gonna do that as well. So Miss Tegan, I want you guys to do, the rest of you guys, I want you guys to just follow along with me for Miss Tegan's form, okay? So when it's in a guarding stance again, and my right leg is gonna be in front, okay? And like I said before, my gut students, don't worry too much about this because it's not your curriculum. So don't worry about it if you mess up or anything like that, because that's okay. All right, so Miss Tegan, we are in our guardian stance. Right leg is in front. We're gonna turn behind us. So our back leg, we're gonna go behind us, turn, high block. So Tegan, nope, Tegan, go. There you go. All right, switch your feet, Miss Tegan, switch your feet. And switch your hands. Other hand, Miss Tegan. There you go. Good. Step forward, punch. Good. Now tap your front leg. All right, this leg comes all the way in front. High block. Good. Step forward, punch. Good. Now we're going to come to the front. So you guys are going to come towards me. Okay. And I'm going to come towards you in a guarding stance. Okay. So you guys are going to kick towards me. We're going to do side kicks. Okay. So I'm going to lift my knee up, turn my body sideways, and kick with the blade of my foot or the side of my foot. That's side kick 1. We're going to do 2 more. So our back leg, knee comes up, turn to the side, side kick 2, and side kick 3, boom, boom, hiya, and then down. All right, Miss Tegan, that's it. So we're going to do it a few more times, okay? So go ahead and get back in your guarding stance, you guys. Your right leg is in front. All right, and I've already said hands are up. I'm gonna turn over my back leg, turn behind me, high block. So my left hand and left leg are up. Good, step forward, punch. Good, tap your front leg all the way around, high block. Step forward, punch. Then to the back, so you're gonna, or to the front towards me, guarding stance. Ready, side kick 1, side kick 2, side kick 3, hiya. Good, all right, and we'll do it one more time. Go ahead and chumby you guys and go to your guarding stance right here with your right leg in front. We'll do it one more time and then I'll watch Miss Tegan do that, okay? We're gonna turn over our back leg, turn, high block. Good. So you guys should be facing sideways, just like me. Good. So Ava, turn sideways. To your left. Ava, turn to your left. Okay. Good. Step forward, punch. Good. Tap your front leg. This leg turns all the way around. High block. There you go. Good, Tegan. Good. Step forward, punch. Good. All right, Ms. Tegan, you're gonna go to the, what is it? The back. You're gonna go to the back. So not facing me. That's why I messed you guys up. So go ahead and turn to the back, you guys. So Tegan, turn around. There you go. All right, side kick 1, side kick 2, side kick 3. Hiya. Good. And go back. All right, I'm gonna watch Miss Tegan, the rest of you guys that don't need this form, so Ava, Colton, and all my gut students, you guys may have a seat. You may Anjo for right now, and we'll watch Miss Tegan do that form. All right, so Miss Tegan, go ahead, Chumby. All right, and you're gonna do Seikyan Ibu, okay? So you're gonna start from the guardian stance. So high block, good, step forward, punch. Oh, the other way, silly goose, the other way. You gotta kick the other way. So start over, do it one more time, Miss Tegan. Okay, so remember, right leg. So this leg is in front. Okay, and then, so switch your feet. There you go. Then back leg, turn, high block. There you go. Keep going. There you go. High block. Good. Step forward, punch. Good. Turn. High block. There you go. Good. Step forward, punch. Good. To the back. Guardian stance. The other way, Tegan. There you go. And side kick 1. Side kick 2. Side kick 3. Hiya. Good job. All right, Miss Tegan. Do it one last time by yourself. Okay. And then we'll move on to your hand and your grab, I think. Just your grab, just kidding. Good job, Miss Tegan, good job. All right, everyone go and stand back up. Everyone go ahead and stand back up. All right, so we're gonna move on to the Tiny Tiger curriculum still. We're still doing that. So we're gonna do grab number 3. And I know you guys don't have a partner with you, but if you do, if your parent is in the room, they can grab you for this one. If not, then that's totally fine. You can do it in the air as well. So if you have a parent in the room, parent or sibling, you're gonna grab your child or your sibling's shoulder. You're gonna be next to them, actually, sorry, in front of them. Grab their shoulder. And you guys that are doing the grab, you're gonna make a circle with that on the arm that they're grabbing. So Gavin, you're gonna use your left arm there. Make a big circle around your mom's arm and grab her elbow with both hands. Grab her elbow with both hands. Yep, and then push up. Push up on her arm. Just like that. Good job. Don't be careful though. You can let go, Gavin. That's good. Good job. All right, so I'll do it one more time, you guys. So you go ahead and grab their shoulder if you guys have a partner or a parent with you. Now, you guys, students, you guys are gonna make a big circle on the arm that they grabbed. Grab the elbow with both of your hands and then push up. Okay, so it looks like Gavin has it, and Adam, let me see. So the arm that your mom grabbed, so that's your left arm, okay, Adam? So you're gonna go like this. And your arm's gonna make a big circle around your arm, grab the elbow with both hands, and push up. So Adam, let me see you do it one more time. Go ahead, Adam. So make a big circle with your arm. Nope, the other arm, the one she's grabbing, that one. There you go. Grab her elbow. Yep, there you go. And push up with both hands. There you go. Good job. And Ava, let me see you do it. I don't think I saw you yet. Go ahead and do it one more time. Yep. Good job. Very good. Good job, Ava. All right. And Victoria, I see you have your mom there, your dad there. Go ahead and do it one more time for me, Victoria. Nope. Yep. So the left arm, the one that they're grabbing. Other arm, Victoria. Other arm. Other. Yep. There you go. Make a big. Yep. There you go. Good. Grab her elbow with that. Yep. There you go. Both hands. So both hands are on her elbow. Good. And then push up. Good job. Good job. And I see Titus too. Got it. All right. So I think we have that pretty well. All right. So we're going to get back in our guarding stance really quick. So this guarding stance right here. Thank you, parents, that helped out with that grab. Thank you very much. All right. So we're in this guarding stance right here. We're going to practice an axe kick. So all an axe kick is, it's super easy. We're going to kick with our back leg. So my right leg is in the back. So I'm going to kick with that leg. And we're going to do 3 of these. And my leg is going to stay straight. So I'll show you. My leg stays straight. It comes up. And it comes straight down. So we're going to do 3 facing forward with my right leg. Ready? And we're going to count in Korean. Okay, so ready? Everyone's in a guarding stance, ready to go. They're not moving. Everyone's hands are up. Adam, put your hands up. Hands up. Both hands. There you go. Good. All right. Ready? Hana. That's 1. Ready? Tall. That's 2. Set. That's 3. Good. And now I'm going to say kill side. So kill side, that means switch feet. We're going to switch feet. And we're going to do 3 axe kicks with our left leg. Okay. Ready? Hana. Tall. Set. Good job. All right. Now I'm going to watch you guys do 1 more on each side. So remember, your leg stays straight. Your knee doesn't bend, it stays straight. So ready and go. And act sick with both legs, you guys. Aubrey and Brinley, nice kicks, good job. Jada, nice kicks. Miss Hannah, good job, you guys. Good job, excuse me. All right, good. All right, and let's see, a few more things. All right, let's get back in our team mudras. So this horse riding stands right here. All right, so we are gonna practice our back fist. We do a lot, sort of kind of a bunch. We don't do it very often. All right, so we're gonna form our hands just like this. One, for me right now, we're gonna hit with our bottom hand. So my left hand is on the bottom, okay? Just like this, I'm in front of my chest, all right? And the hand on the bottom comes out, and my other hand, the one on the top, just goes to my belt at the same time. So I'm hitting with the back of my fist, just like that, okay? So we'll do a few more of these with our left hand, and then we'll switch. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then we'll switch hands. So now my right hand, this one is gonna be on the bottom. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, hitting again with the back of my hand because it's a back fist. All right, so I want you guys to try a few of these on each side, hitting with the back of your hand. So go ahead, you guys. Good, looks like Titus has it, and Aubrey and Brinley do, good job. And Mr. Colton does, and Adam does, and I think everybody has back fists. Good job, you guys. You guys are doing awesome. All right, so let's do the last thing for the Tiny Tiger, the Tiny Tiger curriculum, which is the association flag. So that's the flag in the middle, all right? And there's a few things on there that you guys will be required to know, because for your next test, Tiny Tigers, you guys will be asked you'll be asked to tell us something about the flag. Okay, so the first thing on the flag is, I'll go a little, we can't really see, but, okay, so the red and blue circle in the middle of the flag is called and yang. It's right on the green flag, that same symbol. Okay, and that means and yang. So those are opposites. Okay, so like hot and cold, water, fire, that kind of thing. Okay, and then if you guys can see the 6 stars, not really, but the 6 stars on the flag, they represent the 6 continents that we train on. Even though there's 7, we train on 6 of them because, it's too cold in Antarctica. And then the globe in the middle behind that guy, it means karate, or Tung Sudo is worldwide. We do Tung Sudo, that's the type of martial arts that we do. Okay, and then the guy on the flag, he's doing what's called a flying side kick. So that's a kick where you jump and you fly through the air and do a side kick. And that means, it symbolizes the whole person concept. Okay, so you guys can have a seat while I'm talking about this. You guys can have a seat, Anja, that way you're not moving around. You want to be still and pay attention, okay? Especially my Tiny Tigers, so Ava, Tegan, Colton, and Gavin, and Xavier. I want you guys to make sure you're listening, okay? So once again, the globe means it's worldwide, okay, because we practice all over the world. And then the master's belt on the bottom, that is the ultimate goal. That's what you guys should aspire towards, to earn that belt, that rank once you get black belt, because there's first degree black belt, and then there's a few more degree of black belt after that, and then it's your master's belt. So who has a goal of getting their master's belt? Raise your hand. Anybody? Oh, Miss Hannah and Ava, good. Okay, a few of you guys, awesome, good. So hopefully we'll be there together because that's my goal too. All right, awesome. And then let's see, the last thing, or a few more things. The red circle that's around the inner circle, it's the inner circle, so it's around the globe and around the guy. You probably can't see it on there, but if you guys have a gut manual, it's on the front of that too. And that red circle stands for brotherhood. So it's similar, brotherhood and sisterhood, I guess, of Tung Sudo, because we're all brothers and sisters through karate. All right, and then on the bottom in that Korean, it's backwards, but it says World Tung Sudo Association, which is on the front or on the top of the flag as well. Okay, so we'll go over that again in your other classes, you guys, when you come to that. So Tiny Tigers, you want to make sure you know some of those things. That way you can tell your instructor on your next test. Okay, at least one of those things you have to remember to tell them. Okay, and let's see. So Miss Tegan, you also have, because you're yellow belt, you also have the Korean and the American flag as well. So the American flag and Korean flag we did last time, so I won't spend too much time on it. So I'll go really quickly so we can move on. So there's 13 stripes on the American flag. Red stands for blood. White stands for purity. There's 50 stars for 50 states. And the blue stands for loyalty. So that's the American flag in like 2 seconds. And then the Korean flag on the right here. Like I said earlier, the symbol in the middle is and yang. Yang is red, is blue, and they mean opposites. And then the 4 symbols in the corners are 4 elements. Right, so the top left, the 3 perfect bars are heaven. Okay, and then opposite of that is earth, the 3 broken bars. And then down on the left, the bottom left, that is fire. So it looks like a road that a fire truck would drive on. That's fire. And then opposite of that, in the top right corner is water, because it looks like a stream running through it. So Tegan, those are all the flags for you, ma'am. So hopefully you guys don't have any, I'll have you guys ask questions at the end. And that is it for the Tiny Tiger curriculum. So Tiny Tigers, I'm gonna let you guys go. Good job. And so I want my Tiny Tigers, go ahead and face me, Chidia. If you guys are Tiny Tigers, that's Colton, Adam, Ava, Tegan, and Xavier, and Titus. You guys are gonna face me, Chidia, and Mr. Gavin, and Kenya. And right hand up, Panatoset, Tungsi. So my older students, my GUP students, you guys stay here. We'll still do class for like 10 more minutes, okay? So we can get your stuff. So Tiny Tigers, good job. You guys may leave. You guys are dismissed. All right, so my GUP students, go ahead and stand up. Bye, Xavier, good job. Go ahead and stand up, my other guys. Go ahead and stand up. Bye, Gavin, good job. All right. Titus, you're good to go because I think you're under 7, so you're good. Yep, all right. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do, let's see, who do we have? We have Hannah, Malachi, okay, and Miss Jada and Victoria and Aubrey and okay, so we have a few white and orange belts. All right, so we're gonna start with the orange belt curriculum. So we're gonna go ahead and do hands and kicks first, because that's what Aubrey and Brinley and Jada and Victoria are able to do with us, because you guys don't need to do the form. So we're gonna do hands and kicks first. So we're gonna chumby, all right, we're gonna step forward with our left leg. We're gonna block with our right hand. So we're gonna step, our left hand, I mean. So your left leg and left hand is gonna step out and block. So you're in a Kimojasi, so that means you're sideways and both knees are bent, both feet are straight, and you're blocking with your left hand. Then you're gonna punch low to the groin with or to the ribs with your, or the stomach, I guess, with your right hand, then punch the chest with your left hand, and then you're gonna turn in a front stance and punch the head with your right hand. Okay, so we'll go back and do all that one more time. And it is gonna be a little faster than that. I just went slower so you guys can see. All right, so my left hand steps forward, punch right, punch left, turn in a front stance, punch right, hiya. All right, so go ahead, and I want you guys to do that 2 more times, and then we'll move on to 7 and number 8. All right, so go ahead, number 6, hands. Good, so you're gonna punch 3 times. 1, 2, 3, low, middle, high. Good, and you wanna switch hands. So I'll show you guys one more time. So left leg, left hand steps out, punch low, middle. Those are both in a Kimojasi. So you're switching hands. 1, 2, turn in a front stance, high punch. Okay, and this is about eye level. It's not super high, but about right here, it's good. Okay, so let's move on to number 7. That way we can get into Darius is the material because he is a brown belt, so he's doing other stuff. All right, so number 7, hands. I'm going to put my right hand against my right hip, and my left hand is going to be on top. So I'm going to have my hands knuckle to knuckle, just like this, at my right hip. I'm going to step 45-degree angle to the right in a Kimojasi again. My left hand blocks, right hand does a knife hand chop or a pseudo in Korean. Okay, good. Aubrey and Brinley got it. Good job. Jada, nice job. And Victoria, good job. Good. Everybody's got it. Awesome. All right, go ahead and grow back to chumbi. All right, we're number 7 one more time. So right hand is by our hip, left hand on top, step out, and block and pseudo. So it's at the same time, both hands come out. Good. All right. Good. Go and burrow back to Chumby, you guys. All right. And last one, last hands, number 8 hands. We're going to step back with our right leg in a guarding stance. Left hand does inside to outside block. We're going to grab the wrist, pull it in, and turn our feet and do an elbow with our right hand or right arm. Good. Okay, let's do it one more time. So ready, right leg, steps back and block with the left hand. Grab, pull in, that same arm pulls in, turn, use your right arm for the elbow. So right arm does the elbow, and it looks like we all got it. Good. All right, so go ahead. I want you guys to do all 3 of those one time, all 3 one more time by yourself. So start with number 6, then go to 7 and number 8. Go ahead, you guys. Nice, Malachi and Hannah. Nice job. Yep, Aubrey and Brinley, you're right. Good job. All right, go to number 7, you guys. All right, Darius has it. I know Braden does. And Victoria, I think that's number 8 you're doing. Yep, good job. Jada, good job. All right, and number 8, if you guys are, I think you guys are almost done. That's the one with the elbow, number 8. Good, Brinley. Good. Are you Aubrey? The one that's doing this right now, are you Brinley or Aubrey? Oh, you can't answer me. That's okay. But good job. You guys both have it. Good job. All right, and go ahead and do number 8, Aubrey and Brinley, number 8, last one. And then we'll do kicks. So you're gonna, all right. Yes, Victoria, give me 1 second so I can hear you. Right, let's see, Victoria. Go ahead, Victoria, what's your question?
Can you repeat number 7 one more time?
Yes, ma'am, I can. Good question. All right. All right, so number 7. All right, so that's the one where I form my hand. Oh, you probably can't hear me. All right, so number 7, I'm gonna form my hands. I'm gonna put my right hand here, left hand on top, step out, block, and pseudo. So left hand blocks, right hand does the knife hand. And my palm is up, so it looks just like that, number 7, just like that, okay? All right, and then any other questions before we move on to kicks? Anybody? No, we're all good? Okay, all right, so we're gonna move on to hands, or I mean kicks, sorry. We're gonna go to kicks, and then we will do the orange belt form really quickly, and then we'll do Darius's. All right, so for kicks, we're gonna step back in a guarding stance, so our left leg is in front. All right, we're gonna step to our left with our left leg. We're gonna duck. So we're gonna keep our head up as we duck. And then as we come up, our back leg is gonna do a round kick. So my knee comes up and I do a round kick. Okay, so I'll do it one more time. All right, so I'm gonna step to my left. I'm gonna duck like I'm squatting, and then round kick. So that round kick is with the top of my foot, just like that. My toes are pointed. Good. Yeah. Good. Nice kick, Aubrey and Brinley. Good job. All right, so that's number 6. Good, Victoria. Good job. So one more time. It's duck and round kick. That's number 6. Okay. All right, number 7. That is a fun one. Number 7 is a good kick. It's a good kick. It's a push kick. A push kick, or in Korean, a chakdo truki. And that's push kick in Korean. And you can kind of think of it like kicking down a door. Though it is a little slightly different. I'll show you sideways so you can see. So I'm gonna do like a front kick, but my foot is gonna be bladed like a side kick, like that. I'm gonna push forward and kick with the blade of my foot, just like that. So you see my foot's bladed, not flat, bladed, just like that. Okay, yep, Hannah's got it. All right, so we're gonna kick forward. So we're in our guarding stance, our knee comes up, we push, and we land. Okay, good job. All right, and you can do it with either foot, but most people we always kick with our back leg unless we, would say, unless the instructor says kick with your front. So we always kick with our back leg. And our left leg is always in front. So we kick and blank, just like that. All right, and we'll do number 8 really quickly, because we are running out of time, and I think we'll go a little bit over. That's okay. All right, so that was 6, 7, or that was 7. Now we're gonna do number 8. And some of you guys that are already orange, let's remember this one. So we're gonna block with our left hand. We're gonna grab the shoulder, and then we're gonna do another round kick to the head, just like that. Okay. So again, with our left hand, our front hand with our left leg in front, I'm gonna block, grab the wrist, grab the shoulder, and round kick. Okay. So I want to make sure you guys that for that round kick that you bring your knee up first, then turn your hips over, then kick. Okay, you guys want to make sure you kick properly. You want to make sure you chamber first. Knee comes up, turn to the side, kick. And that kick comes from your bottom as well. Okay, so any questions, orange belts or my white belt so far on those hands and kicks? Are we good? Yes? And we'll have plenty of time to practice these in your next classes, you guys, so don't worry if you don't get it all tonight, because you have plenty of time, All right, so let's go ahead and run through the basic 8, because that is what Jada, Victoria, Aubrey, and Brinley, that is what you guys are required to know. So we'll do that really quick as well. So we're gonna get back in that guardian stance, and these are simple punches, like kickboxing punches, and kicks, which is some of the kicks we just did a few minutes ago. So with our front hand, with my left hand that's in front, I'm gonna do a jab. So that all that is, it's a short, quick punch out just like that. That's with my front hand. So my left hand's the one in front, and that's the one that's gonna do that jab. And then number 2 is my back hand. So my back hand, the one that's by my cheek, is gonna come out in a punch, a reverse punch, just like this. And you wanna make sure, watch my back foot, you guys. I'm in a guardian stance, I do the jab, number 1. My back foot turns on the ball of my foot, like I'm squashing some grapes. And I do that reverse punch. I throw my whole body into it to get that power. So I have 1, 2, and then we start our kicks, which are even and odd numbers. Okay, so go ahead and do that, you guys. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. So you guys want to use both hands. You don't want to use you want to use both. You don't want to use one for both of them. So make sure you use both hands. The front one does the jab, so that's your left hand. One, or jab, cross, jab, cross. Okay. Good, Jada, nice power. Good, Victoria. Good, I think we all got it. All right. So let's do, let's add the kicks. So the kicks, all the odd numbers, which is 3, 5, and 7, those are with your left leg. The even numbers are 2, 4, and 8. Those are your, what was I gonna say? Those are you with your right leg. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you facing you. That way you can see what I'm doing, and then I'll turn around. We'll do them together. So we have 1, 2, my front leg, which is my left leg. That'll be my front kick. So I'm gonna do a straight front kick. So my knee comes up, kick with the ball of my foot, just like that. That's number 3. So I have 1, 2, front leg, front kick. That's 3. Okay. And then number 4 is the exact same kick, but it's with my back leg. So my knee comes up again, front kick. All right. Am I going too fast for anybody? No, I'm good. Okay. All right. All right. So one more time. So far we have 1 through 4. So we have jab, cross, front leg, front kick, back leg, front kick. Good. All right. Are we good so far, you guys? Yes. Awesome. All right. So we're going to go ahead and add on to that with number 5 and number 6. And those are our side kicks. And those are, the foot position is a little bit different. So I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. So with my back, or I'll do my front leg because that's number 5. So number 5, my front leg, my knee comes up. I turn to the side. I'm going to bring my knee to my chest as high as I can and push my foot out, kicking with the blade of my foot. Excuse me, and then back down. Okay, so one more time with my front leg. Knee comes up, turn to the side, kick, and back down. Same thing with my back leg. Up, turn, kick, back, down. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that facing forwards with me. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, front leg number 5, back leg number 6, and then 7 and 8, we already did this kick with our hands and kick techniques earlier, which is a round kick. So that one, again, knee comes up. I'll do with my front leg. Knee comes up, turn to the side like a side kick, but instead of bringing my knee to my chest, my foot is going to come to my bottom. I'm going to kick with the top of my foot. My toes are pointed. So the same thing with my back leg. Knee comes up, turn to the side, bring my foot to my bottom, and kick. My foot acts like a spring. All right, so let's go and do all 8 of those, and I'll watch you guys. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back leg number 8. Okay, and if you don't have those perfect, that is okay because we have plenty of time, like I said, to practice them. Okay, all right, so go ahead. I want you guys to do all 8 of those. Start with number 1, which is that front hand jab. So go ahead, 1 through 8. So all those kicks we did. Make sure you do both feet for all the kicks. Good job. Nice kicks, Darius and Hannah and Malachi. Hey, everybody. Good job, you guys. And I'm not sure who Heather is on here, or Amber, or is it Amber? You guys don't have your video on, so I can't see you, and I don't know who you are. So I don't know if you guys are taking class, or I'm not sure what you're doing. So if you guys are taking class, please turn your video on if you can, please. You are Isaiah. Hello, Isaiah. You are Isaiah, right? Yes. It's good to see you again. All right. So Isaiah, we are doing the basic 8 if you already know those. Okay. And then Heather, I'm not sure who you are either. So go ahead and turn your video on, Heather, please, so I can see you if you can hear me. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's see. Of my orange belts, so Malachi, Hannah, Darius, do you guys all know Saekyeon Sambu? I know Hannah does. Darius, you guys all know it? Yes. Okay, so I won't go over that then. I will go into Darius's material really quick. And then we'll be done. Okay, so white belts, you guys did a great job. Stay here because we're still gonna practice. We're gonna run through your material one more time as well. But you guys are keeping up with me pretty well, so good job. And we are going to do, let's see, what was I gonna do? So we are going to, whoops, all right. Isaiah, how do you, oh, can't answer you, hold on. Isaiah, go ahead and type your name in the chat so I can see how to spell it, because I'm gonna, or rename yourself Isaiah, that way I know it's you. Oh wait, I think I got it. Is it I-S-A? Okay, I got it. Okay, thank you. There you go, and now you are Isaiah. Great. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and keep going. That way we can be done. All right, so my orange and white belt, I want you guys to do those hands again and kicks. Number 6, 7, and 8. The ones we did earlier. So 6, 7, and 8. And then your kicks. 6, 7, and 8. So I want my white and orange belts to do those again. Darius, I'll do yours. 16, 7, or 18, 19, 20. I'll do those with you. So Darius, you're gonna step forward or step back with your right leg. Left hand blocks, Janquan, sweep, take down left punch. Okay, good. And then number 19, my left leg steps back, right hand blocks, grab, and with my back leg comes all the way around, sweep, they do a front fall and punch. And then number 20, I'm gonna step forward, left leg, high block, elbow, reach up and take down. So again, my white and orange bus, you guys don't need to do this at all. Do 3, do 6, 7, 8, the numbers I demonstrated a few seconds ago. Go ahead and keep doing those while Darius does his numbers because they're different, like I said. So that'd be great. Thank you, Darius. Are you good so far? All right, and then your kicks, Darius, your right leg is in front. You're gonna step back and block, spin over your back shoulder, hook kick, round kick. That's 18. 19, my right leg is in front. I'm gonna step out with my left. Ice cream, scoop their leg, grab their shoulder, and sweep and take down. And then number 20, right leg is in front, step back, block, jump up with both feet, front kick. All right. All right, and then really quick, I think we'll skip form tonight for my GUP students, at least for Hannah, Malachi, and Darius. We'll skip form tonight since we are over by like 8 minutes. So you guys did a great job tonight, and make sure that, like I said earlier while we were warming up, our theme of the month is habits. Make sure you guys are eating healthy, you're exercising, which you guys are, you're taking karate class, and then make sure that you practice, you know, you do your homework for school so you can get good grades. You practice karate so you can earn belts and things like that. All right, so does anyone have any questions for me before we go? Miss Hannah, okay. Let me unmute you, Miss Hannah. All right.
Are we supposed to wear a uniform to the game night?
You do not, I don't think so. You don't have to. Yeah, and again, guys, if you want to do that, that's 6:30 this Friday on this same Zoom code if you want to do that with Miss Katie. Okay, I don't think you need uniform, I don't think. Good question. All right, anybody else have any questions for me about anything? Does everyone know when their next class is? Victoria, Jada, you guys know? Yes? Aubrey and Brinley, we got you covered for already, so you guys are good. And Isaiah, I don't see you, but you're good for your next class, right? Yes, I think we're all good. All right, you guys, so go ahead and face me, Chidiat. And face me, Kenya. And what we do at the end of class custom is we put our right hand up. I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, and we say Tung Su really loud at the end. Ready? Hana, it's all set. Tung Su, good job, and you guys are dismissed. Good job, bye you guys.